Hey everyone, welcome back to How to Tutorials. In today's video, we will learn how to go live on our TikTok Lite app. For this, make sure to install a TikTok Lite app and also make sure to get logged in just like me. When you are logged in just like me, now tap on this Me option on the bottom right corner. Now you can see and check the numbers of followers that you have. You can see that I just have 3 followers. So before I can tell you that how to go live on a TikTok Lite app, I'd like to tell you that to go live on your TikTok app, you need to have more than 1,000 followers. And just after that only you can go live on your TikTok app. Since I do not have 1,000 followers, I cannot go live on my TikTok app. And also to go live on your TikTok, you need to have the main application, the TikTok one. It's Lite for a reason. That's why you cannot go live through your TikTok Lite app. So I hope this video was really helpful for you and more informative for you, and you are able to understand that you need to get more than 1,000 followers to go live, and also you need to use the main application as well. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I'm going to see you in the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.